Alright guys, no more stock intake. We finally swapped it out for the JLT 123mm big cold air intake. This is pretty much the missing bolt-on for my Shelby. I already have the 2.396 upper pulley, Whipple 68mm throttle body, off-road X-pipe and Borla ATAKs. I was just missing this big cold air intake, and now we have it. We definitely gotta be at 700. If I wasn't at 700 before, I'm definitely at 700 now. I'll probably dyno it with this setup before the E85, because next is E85. Technically, I'm not full bolt-on because I don't have headers on the car, and I told you guys why I didn't get headers on the car. Because originally, I was gonna do the headers with the off-road X-pipe and the stock GT500 mufflers, but I actually ended up wanting to get aftermarket mufflers, so I went with Borla's and then just the off-road X-pipe to fit the stock headers. So no, I'm not gonna get headers right now, but I'm gonna give you guys a little inside scoop of what I plan on doing by December on my birthday. I know it's a little long ways from now, but just hear me out. Headers will go in the car when I throw the cams in. Yeah, I'm gonna just say that right now. I wanna add cams on December, on my birthday. I wanna like drop off the car beginning of December and then pick it up December 19th, the day of my birthday, the day I turn 22 years old. I wanna pick up this car cammed, and then when the cams get in, we'll throw the headers on and we'll add a K member and we'll just add all this good stuff. So I got a bunch of stuff planned, but for right now I pretty much got all the simple bolt-ons out the way. You got the cold air intake, the pulley, throttle body, tune. We got all the good stuff for my 14 GT500. So we're gonna load the tune with the N gauge and we should be good to start it up. Go tuning, load tune. JLT 123, 68mm throttle body. Flash this tune. Yes sir. Take 3 minutes. Yes sir. Cool. And now we wait for the tune to load. I really like the N gauge so much better than my old SCT device. That one I used to have to plug it in, take it back to my computer, plug it in. This is so much easier to data log and just do all that stuff. So if you've been thinking about getting an N gauge, get an N gauge. It's dumb hot too, bro. First startup with the JLT cold air intake. Oh yeah. Everything on there good. I really want to take this little foam piece off, but I'm gonna just keep it on the car. Because they say if you take this off, this little foam piece right here, all the air is gonna like just hit right here instead of spreading all over this, and the car might stall. I don't know. Well, but I might take it off later. I'm not sure. It's a little foam piece right here. Should I keep it on or take it off? I don't know. Comment down below. Let me know. But she seems good, so. Cool. So he pretty much just wants me to get an idle log. So start logging that idle, and then I gotta rev it up to 4K, and then do a slow RPM climb. Probably do it in second gear. We'll start the log right here. I'll let it idle for a little bit. Slow climb up to 4K. Okay. Cool. I guess should I rev it up to 4? Yeah, I'll just rev it up. Cool. I'm about to send this right now, so hopefully he'll reply right away with like a nice tune. So let me get back to you guys in like 10 minutes, because I'm pretty sure he's gonna send me a better revision where we actually go out and get a little pull. So let me get back to you guys in a little bit. All right guys, got another revision. I'm currently loading it up right now. He said let's get a third gear pull from 25 to 6K. Third gear, interesting. It's gonna be very slow. From 2500, yeah, it's gonna be very slow, but gonna rev it all the way up to 6K in third gear. I'm not sure if he's gonna send me another revision after that. This one just might be good. He might be like, all right, you're good to go. I don't think it's gonna need another revision. If it does, then damn, but I'm sure it'll be all right. All right guys, we got the new revision loaded up. Let's see how she does. Where am I gonna do this pull at? I actually gotta go do the pull at. I felt like I was just gonna do another RPM climb, but she feels a little more like responsive, like it's just there, like ready to go. Oh yeah, she feels good. Oh yeah, we are ready to party, gentlemen. We are ready to party. Woo! Alright guys, I'm just trying to get some space, because I don't want to end up switching lanes as I'm doing this pull. I'm going to film it with one hand, so we'll see how it goes. Alright, 25 to 6 and 30 gear. Oh my shit. Woo! And I heard the one too. Wow. Woo! Hey, that picked up quick, bro. For being in third gear, I think it was like 45 to like 110 real quick, and I still could have revved out to 7. That's really fucking good, bro. Oh man, this thing's definitely making 700. I don't care what y'all say, bro. I'm making 700 on the dot. Okay, 705. Let me get back home, send this log, because he might send me a revision or might just tell me we're good to go. I'll let y'all know in a little bit. Hey, we're starting to get some pops. Woo! We're getting some pops. We're getting more wine, more fast, more loud. I love it. I love it. Should I try downshift? Okay, yeah, minor popping, minor popping. Bro, why my car feel fast, bro? Why does bitch feel fast? Yes! Let me get home, man. I'm having too much fun. This is probably not even my final revision. If this is not my final revision, I don't know what to tell y'all, man. Lund all the way. I literally just got my last revision. Are you kidding me? Looking real good. Load this up and you're all set. Wow. Are you kidding me, Quavo? Papa got another revision. I'm just happy that this car is finally coming together, y'all. Like, this car is getting better and better. Like, stock, it was cool and all. Like, I finally got my dream car or whatever. But now that we're actually modifying it, and this whole getting faster and louder and just so much more doper, like, I'm very happy, guys. I'm so happy that I bought this car. Like, regardless of me being really late to the party, like, this is the car I've been wanting, and I wasn't gonna let anything stop it. Like, regardless if other people have this car, like, I'm not gonna, just because someone else bought my dream car doesn't mean I'm not gonna get it myself too. So I'm just very happy that she's finally coming along. Now I don't have to log another pull, but I might do another pull. Oh, it's crazy. Cool. Now, my AT2s do get a little hot. Obviously, I live in Houston, Texas. It gets hot in Houston, Texas, very, very hot. And obviously, when I come to complete stops, traffic, AT2s do start getting up there. So, for a cooling modification that I'm thinking of is go with a killer chiller. I'm gonna get more into that a couple videos down the road. I will do the killer chiller as a cooling modification for this car. I'm not going to do like the dual fan or anything like that. I'm just going to go straight killer chiller. And I'll explain that when the video comes, whenever I buy it. Because some of you are probably thinking, what are you going to do for a cooling modification? Like, it's hot over there. What are you going to do? Killer chiller. That's the answer. Oh man, oh man. Rose, Rose, Rose. You are getting way too fast, man. Somebody take this car away from me, man. I'm about to get in big trouble. Wow. That's pretty much it for your simple bolt-ons, guys. I don't know what else I could do other than headers, but I'm telling y'all, headers are going to wait until the cams go in the car. I'm definitely going to throw cams in the car. That's it. I'm just putting it out there right now. This thing is going to be cammed. But before we do that, like I told you guys, I'm gonna get my house next week. I'm gonna get my house first. After I get my house, then we're gonna lower the car. The lowering springs, probably lower it at the house. We'll do the install at the house. And then get my rear drag set up. I definitely want to get some welds, but I don't know what tire I'm gonna go with yet. After the springs and the tires, I'm gonna go E85, guys. I'm telling y'all right now. I'm still unsure of what setup I want to do, but I'm probably just gonna go with the ID1300s and do a booster pump, just so I can go E85 right away. And yeah, just stay at like 750 wheel for a little bit. 750, 760, 770, whatever. People probably don't think I'm gonna make that much, but wait and see. People probably don't think I'm gonna make 700 wheel on 93 with this current setup. Well, we'll throw it on the dyno then. If y'all don't believe me, I will throw it on the dyno to prove to you guys that it makes over 700 on this setup. Next week, I'll throw it on the dyno. Not a problem. Yeah, so that's some of my plans, guys. Got the JLT installed. Got the pulley, throttle body. It's tuned. We got the tint. We got the 5% tint. Now we just gotta do the side markers and the wheels and lowering springs and all that. It's all gonna fall into place, man. It's all gonna fall into place. Everything's going great right now. Life is going good. Who would have thought that at 21 I would have my dream dog, my dream job, my dream car, and now my dream house? Come on, dog.